Welcome back, guys. Welcome to a Red Day recap on a Friday. Ay, 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 this week. Let's jump over on the screen share. So, dun, 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 dun. Yeah, bad day. Bad day on, BIAF. Honestly, I'm just so annoyed. For a couple reasons. One, obviously, Red Day, but two, I had some technical issues around kind of when this stock was moving. So, 7 a.m. there was no news. 7:30 no news. So 8 a.m. I'm just waiting for news, and then BIAF hits the scanner, and there's some clinical headline. Again, not something that's really working right now. So, I just, yeah. But obviously it popped up. So my first entry was at 5:45. So I looked. Oh, yep. Okay. So I got on it right as it was hitting the scanners. It squeezed up here, and I'm like, all right, nice. Let's try to get a dip on 5:45, and it tapped it, and then it just down to 490. I got out at 5:11, but like, oh, it just ruined my morning. I was down $30 on that trade. It ruined my morning up until it really ruined my morning. So then I was like, okay, let's get back in. So I got back in for this double top, this push through this top right here to get a squeeze up to either 550 or maybe even 6. Oh, and I got it, and I had about 40 cents a share, and I go to sell. Nothing sells. I'm like, what the heck? I go to sell again, can't get out. And then I realized I didn't click on my level 2. So I clicked on my level 2, and by that time I only made like 3 cents. So I got in right here, and I literally don't think I got out until right around here. So it just didn't work out. And actually, never mind. I didn't get in through this break here. Sorry about that. I'm misremembering. I got in for the break of 6. So I got in for 6. I let it break 6, and I got in on a dip, and it went up to about 6. I think I saw 640 when I tried to sell, and then I realized I wasn't clicked on my level 2 and couldn't sell. So that triggered me. But I didn't take any other trades until you can probably see where I lost the rest of my money today. This all works out really well on the 10-second chart just because of how quick these pops and rejections were. This was super clean. If I got out on where I wanted to get out, I would have had a good trade. But alas, that's trading. Whenever you have a good entry, something goes wrong. But yeah, so I got in for the break of 7. I bought at, where was this? Yeah, I bought at 634. So squeeze up, and then it just rejected. So yeah, I went from 634 and got out at 577, and that was my last trade. So I guess the lesson here, because there's always a lesson, is it's just, I mean, I chased it, and I think I was annoyed by my computer or whatever was happening with my clicking on my level 2. My Chrome also froze on me, so that didn't help. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Minus $81.19. So not close to, not quite my max loss, but quite close. Frustrating, very frustrating. And then I think the more annoying thing is, well, actually, I'm gonna be glad that I didn't try to keep trading this stock, because this triple top pretty much at 7 right here draw a line across this. Just go right here. I mean, double top technically, but it's pretty close to a triple top. And then just it hits 7 and rejects, which is weird because if we look at the daily chart, I mean, there's a gap from 6:30 all the way up to 7:56, but I guess just a lot of holders from in around this area that are looking to either sell or some short sellers. Hard to say, but I mean, yeah, if we got through 7, I guess it was either going to just, we'll either get a nice break through 7 or it's just 725, 750, or 8 is just going to keep pushing it down. So I don't know how much is actually in this stock. But yeah, a frustrating Friday and a frustrating week. Honestly, I've had some good trades and some very bad ones. And I've had bad trades on good trades. So I've had losses on good trades, which always kind of sucks. But my accuracy, I think, was horrid this week. But yeah, that's it. That's trading. So we'll live and learn. We'll be back for next week. So hope you guys have a good weekend and peace.